And I love, um, the graphs that are out there that help us, like the Unwins, who are on the other side of the ocean. Uh, the Unwins make these great graphs, Jen and Dave Unwin, that help us to understand what's in our food. And if I were to look at a graph that has maybe raisins, for example, a serving of raisins, you may see an equivalent of multiples of teaspoons of sugar. So if we ate things like that and knew that, then maybe we wouldn't eat those things as often. A banana, for example, could be anywhere from 6 to 7 teaspoons of sugar because you take the 28 carbs and you divide it by 4. So get in a habit as you consume food of thinking about what's the total. When I take that carb number divided by 4, that's going to really help you understand what you're consuming.